In this video, we will see how to create a web application, very basic one, having one HTML page in NetBeans. So I will open NetBeans. I am using 8.2 version. You can create a new project from File, New Project, Java Web Project, and then Web Application. So we can name it as Project 1. Everything is fine. You can just click Next and then Finish. So NetBeans will create a default index.html page. So whenever we will run our web application, this would be the landing page. Later on we can change this thing, but for the time being it's okay. So if we can see the directory of this project, here all the web pages would be here, and later on when you would be adding Java servlets or some other languages, then this source packages will contain that code. Okay, so first web application, I can say hello world. So yeah, that's it. So I can run from here. And you can see the output of that very basic index.html page.